今天是我连续参加这个 Perfect English 培训的第45天，现在呢是 Lesson 7第7课的第3天，第1遍朗读记录。这是一篇非常有意思的短文，也许它的中文你是听过的，这个是英文的版本，我们再听一下。One April afternoon, two advertising acts was having coffee outside. A beggar was seated on the sidewalk nearby with a nearly empty cup and a piece of cardboard that said, "I am blind." One of the execs said to his friend, "I will bet I can add 4 words to his sign and dramatically increase the amount of money he gets." His friend took him up on the bet. He walked over to the beggar, spoke a minute, and wrote 4 words. Within minutes, the sound of coins, then a dollar bill, soon more bills. What did the man add to the cardboard? His cheeks sprinkled and